Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential accessories for any photographer, the Altura photo camera hand strap. If you're looking to upgrade your photography gear with a reliable wrist strap, you've come to the right place. Let's kick things off with why this strap stands out among the competition. Designed for DSLR and mirrorless cameras, this hand strap is all about security and comfort. It's made with premium PU leather, offering a secure grip that prevents accidental drops, which is crucial when you're out shooting in various conditions. The padded design ensures a comfortable fit around your wrist, giving you peace of mind while shooting. It's compatible with a wide range of cameras, including Canon, Nikon, Sony, and more, thanks to its standard 1/4 tripod screw mount. Whether you have small or large hands, this strap adjusts effortlessly to provide a snug fit for all users. For added convenience, it features a quick-release clip that allows you to detach from your camera swiftly when needed. Safety tether. There's also a safety tether included, providing an extra layer of protection against accidental drops. Altura Photo is known for its dedication to quality and functionality. As a small business brand, they focus on delivering products that meet the demands of professional photographers while keeping affordability in mind. Having used this hand strap myself, I can vouch for its effectiveness in real-world scenarios. Whether you're shooting events, landscapes, or portraits, the Altura Photo hand strap ensures your camera stays securely in your grip without compromising on comfort during extended shoots. When compared to other wrist straps on the market, Altura Photo's attention to detail and the quality of materials used truly set it apart. It strikes the perfect balance between durability and comfort, making it a favorite among photographers of all levels. To wrap things up, if you're in the market for a wrist strap that combines security, comfort, and affordability, look no further than the Altura Photo Camera hand strap. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this accessory will enhance your photography experience. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tips on photography gear. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and happy shooting!